Oh my god, so sad that this is out of my comfort zone. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm just doing my skincare. The Korean type of makeup, because I'm so bored with my makeup routine, so I'm just testing out different types to looks max. I just showered. The agenda today is to try to do the Korean makeup, to have my hair blown out, so I look babe. Okay, we will try to do Korean makeup. Going in with Snail Machine from Cosrx. They have such glowy skin, like their base, incredible. Then I think I'm gonna go in with the niacinamide from The Ordinary, so it can be extra hydrating. They have like glass skin, and I don't know if I can accomplish that. This is the Advanced Snail All-in-One Cream, also from Cosrx. Koreans are all about sunscreen, so I'm gonna wear the La Roche-Posay sunscreen spray. I think that's good enough. Oh, little recipe watermelon niacinamide dew drops. Hopefully it gives us that glowy base. Wow, it's really doing its thing. Wow. Lmao Invisible Illumination Primer. That is gonna give instant glow. So this is going to be our glowy primer. Oh, I'm gonna be looking like a sweaty pig. Kidding. Okay, so the Korean makeup style is glowy and very like light, very fair. I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury in medium 4. Just, you can already see it's kind of dark, but it's glowy and I don't have anything else. I love the Charlotte Tilbury one. It gives such a beautiful glow. I use it as a skin tint. People use it as a like primer, like a glowy primer, but I love it as a skin tint. I think I'm gonna go in with a lot of concealer because it's more lighter shade, so it's, I think, better for that fair skin look. The thing I'm most scared about doing this makeup trend is the eyeshadow level of Koreans. It's crazy. I don't know if I'm able to do that. I'm gonna use this MAC contour stick for contouring my nose. Oh my god, that's too much already. At this point I just need to trust the process. They use a lot of blush, really focusing on like here. Oh my god, I forget that the Rare Beauty is so pigmented. I have. We're gonna go in with a brush. I don't use this much blush. I'm not trying to offend any Koreans out there. This makes my skin so glowy, so nice. Makes my makeup stay all day. I use this every day. Okay, that dry. The skin is not bad. It's glowy, definitely glowy all over. Put on lashes. God, this is scary, so scary. That's good. I'm gonna put on mascara. We have the eyelashes without fake falsies lashes on. I have a lot of lashes. I have this one, this one, this one. I didn't really like this one, and I have this one. So I don't know which one fits this aesthetic more. The bottoms, I'm gonna use those one in the middle. I think I'm gonna place one here, and one here, maybe 3. Wow! I think that's good. I'm gonna quit there before I go full volume extension lashes. The brows, on the other hand, the Korean brows are so natural. And I usually fill in my eyebrows like dark. But they are so light in Korean makeup. And they are so straight. I don't know how, but we're gonna figure it out. I usually use an eyebrow pencil to draw in my eyebrows, but they seem to be using powder. So I'm gonna go in, oh that's so scary, with this one. That's all I have of powders. This I got from my friend. It's legit a Taurus. It's a Taurus eyeshadow palette. She bought the wrong one. She was like, you're a Taurus, you can get this one. And I was like, oh, thanks girl. Oh, I really want to use my eyebrow pencil, but no, we are doing this the real way. Ooh, first swipe. Tap it off. Oh, I'm so scared. Look at that. Oof. I'm gonna go all in, I guess. Oh, I'm so scared for this side. This is so sad that this is out of my comfort zone to draw brows. They are red. I'm not gonna lie, they are red. We did the brows. We did everything we could for my sad, sad brows. Okay, what's the next? Oh, it's the eye makeup. We're gonna use the same palette. The only palette we have at the top. Wow. It's very that kind of vibe of the picture I've seen on Pinterest. It's very glittery. Then it's a brown liner on top. I usually do upwards, but I think Korean makeup is like downwards or like horizontal. So I'm gonna go down and not upward. That's the eyes. Then for underneath the eyes, it's got like this like line that is fixating like this on both sides. It's really fixated too, like that on both,
oh my god,
side of the eye. Shimmer in here and shimmer on the outside, I think. Underneath, like that, and shimmer in here. Maybe I'm gonna use a smaller brush for that. Oh my god. My reflexes, goddamn. Okay, after that little accident, we're gonna be careful. Underneath the... And they are like pros at underneath lashes, so I'm gonna do that. See it, I really tried my hardest. The next step is more blush, not this one, because you need to be looking like you're drunk in a... Oh my god, K-drama. What's happening today? Drunk in a K-drama. So I use this from Estée Lauder. But we're gonna go with highlighter and just blend everything out. Once again, setting spray. Oof. And then we need something to do with the lips. I've seen people use the liquid blush. as a thing. So I'm gonna put one in the middle and blend it out. This one just in the middle. I'm gonna blow out my hair so we can get the full effect. Did I do it, guys? Did I do the Korean makeup look? The hair is hairy now.